out tears over here, pa. Me alone can't manage coming about to, you know.
Hello?
Hold it, bumbo clot. And I see him a break him a hold it, you know. But you can't see it. It a break him to blood clot. Me I tell you. Hey, hold it.
A tree?
He hold it.
A tree? 1,
Eh?
2, 3. A tree?
3
Your
one.
cow?
We do one.
A tree piercing in your nose? Your cow?
Yeah, me is a bull cow. That's so cool over there. She know we. She come like blood clot. Ya too? What the blood clot there? We talk about something and change the subject. Ya too? Not too much, man. I want to know over there. She a 2 hour.
Sorry, chat. Me know it's a random
She
band.
must have HDH. I want her. He must say really like her and so. Boy, I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah, they really like her.
He really like her. Come and say wish her all the best. That's all he must say. Must say wish her all the best. Him say him text her and tell her say wish her all the best and wish her all the best in your match tomorrow.
But the thing is, one nice person she could have get fair.
Yeah, he would have really treat her nice, Rika, fun and joke aside.
She the first one to come out.
Pick up for her son, but and everybody wanna. But you see, because me see her man in time and see her.
And then no, you know me never like with Unique what she do. Unique start over live and talk about money.
What she does about? What about money? Like what she was saying? What she say?
The ex company live, me I used to live and the ex are saying broke and it mean